it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Bring it in. Leave it. Just let it go. Let it go.
I saw it go under.
I know. Let it go. Let it go. It's going to sit there now. Yeah, it's trying to get balance between two little. Come on. Pull the trigger. There you go.
Real man's rod. Well, make sure you crunch your legs like this. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that was a big one. Surfboard. Surf. You want to surf? Stand up. Stand up. Try to stand. Woo! Sophia's surfing. Ready? I'll throw you out the bed. 1, 2. Oh, you gotta let go. You gotta let go. 1, 2, 3. Is that fun?
Whoa, Sam, that was awesome. Wow, that was a little curl looper. That was a little close to me, Sam. Bye.
Any bites, Percy?
Hey, Elsa, I see your ride.
We got caveman Lex.
Go in front of Zuri. Who's got the, oh, Chanel. Oh, you got who's got Elsa?
Fishing, Percy, you can see where the end of your line is with that. You want to go fishing?
Sophia.
Hold it gently. You don't want to scare the fish.
No.
Zuri, you want to be on this rock. Sophia, be on this log.
Hey, Zuri, help her.